In this lesson, I want to explain how to simply switch between day and night with one click. Okay, you can simply add any object that you want. For example, symbols here. For example, this electricity icon here. For example, if you click on that, it means that you can changing between day and night. First, we are in a day, and we click the light and the render setting. It means environment. The render setting is all of this environment. You can capture them. For a night, this light will be turned on, and you can stay turned on. And I click scene. Okay, because we don't have any selection here for lighting. You click this scene. Before that, going to the manage in a scene state menu in a manage and add another tab, day and night. You can call it day and night. Okay and okay. In a scene state, we have a day and night tab. Please organize your scene state to don't be confusing. And then capture whole scene. As you can see, we are in a light. I want to change it to the night. Turn off the HDRI, turn off the sun, and go into the viewer to see is everything okay or not. Oh no. For nights, we have to enable HDRI and make them 0 at the brightness, enable the sun, and 0 all of the sky and the sun. And now we are going here. In a VR, you can enable the night if you want. Okay, now we are in a night. Or you can, as you can see, if you want to back to previous setting, you can simply click and drag that scene on a scene, this scene. As you can see, all of this original setting will be, or previous setting will be open here. It's interesting. In a VR, you can enable a night mode. And if you enable that, as you can see, is it true? No. You can enable the night mode and make the brightness and the sun sky to the 0. And now we are actually in a night. And I think everything is correct now. Now it's correct. Like it. And I will capture all of the scene and setting and the light and the sun. And I think that's okay. And we can drag it. Okay, this is a night. You have to rename it. Select it here and rename it to the night. Rename it to the don't confuse. And this is then the day. Okay, first we want to go to the day. And as you can see, everything is go back to its default. Okay, going to this object. In an object, I want to add a multi-action as before. In a loop, in an action list, first click, I want to read the scene state. Which scene state with the first click? Night scene state. And after that, another click bring me back to the light day scene state. It's very simple. Okay, in the first click, you go into the night because we are the day, and after that, you can go to click on day. Okay, go and test it. That's what you got here. When we click, we are in the day. And if you click in this icon, we are going completely to the night. It's everything okay. That's okay. And click again, go to the light. Interesting. So with this method, you can simply go into the night and day. Okay, in a VR for night, enable the night mode, and after that, enable them and turn the lights to the 0. And simply in a scene state, you can simply toggle between night and day. It's very easy. That's it. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.